Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to replace the battery in an NES game cartridge with a CR2032. Let's get started. So, in order to do this, you'll need to open the cartridge, carefully remove the old battery, and solder a new battery holder with a CR2032 in place. Now, in particular, the tools that you'll be needing to do this is a soldering iron, a solder wick, of course is optional, CR2032 battery, a CR2032 battery holder with solder pins, a small screwdriver, and diagonal cutters. So now simply open the cartridge, remove the battery, and then prepare the battery holder, as in if you're using a battery holder, you may need to cut off the excess legs using diagonal cutters and tin the leg of the battery holder, which means melting a small amount of solder on it to make it easier to solder wire to. Then simply solder the new battery holder on, insert the CR2032 battery, and reassemble the cartridge, and of course test your game. Insert the cartridge into your NES and make sure the game loads and saves correctly. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.